Wuyi Mountain is like a moving landscape painting, and it's truly a wonderland. So beautiful. I'm sure they will come back again.
I noticed there were a bit of tea leaves in some of the food. It was quite unique to recognize that there were some tea leaves in the dishes, and it makes a special taste. The meal was delicious. I particularly enjoyed the beef and the soup with the duck.
So I know Wuyi Mountain is the birthplace of black tea and oolong tea. So this experience by shaking tea and making the process to make the tea was really meaningful and interesting. It was fun to do, so I would recommend it.